Here is our list of the best Hisense TVs you can get right now. All the products mentioned in this video are available in the description below. The Hisense U8QG is a premium mini LED TV, praised for its outstanding performance and strong value, making it a versatile choice for gamers, movie enthusiasts, and everyday viewers. Leveraging mini LED and quantum dot technology, it delivers exceptional picture quality with a peak brightness of up to 5,000 nits and thousands of local dimming zones. This combination produces vibrant lifelike colors, deep blacks, and OLED-like contrast while retaining the superior brightness of mini LED technology. For gaming, the U8QG shines with a native 165Hz refresh rate, an upgrade from previous 144Hz models, allowing smooth 4K gaming at 120Hz and up to 165Hz for PC gamers via FreeSync Premium Pro. Ultra-low input lag further enhances responsiveness, making it a top contender for competitive play. Audio is equally impressive, thanks to a 4.1.2 channel speaker system that significantly improves immersion with clear dialogue, impactful bass, and Dolby Atmos plus DTS Virtual X support. Running on Google TV, it offers an intuitive interface, vast app support, and built-in Google Assistant for voice control. Connectivity is extensive, featuring multiple HDMI 2.1 ports, a USB-C port with DisplayPort support for PC gaming, USB, Ethernet, and an ATSC3 tuner for 4K over-the-air broadcasts. With comprehensive HDR support, including Dolby Vision IQ, HDR10+, and HLG, the U8QG ensures high-quality viewing across all content. Combining stellar brightness, advanced gaming features, immersive sound, and excellent value, the Hisense U8QG stands out as one of the most compelling mini LED TVs in its class. The Hisense U7N is a high-performance 4K mini LED TV that delivers a premium experience at a more affordable price, making it an appealing choice for gamers and home entertainment enthusiasts alike. Positioned just below the flagship U8N, it inherits many advanced features while maintaining strong value. The U7N uses a mini LED Pro ULED panel with quantum dot color technology, offering precise local dimming, deep blacks, high contrast, and a vibrant color range. With its 4K resolution and a native 144Hz refresh rate, the TV provides exceptionally smooth motion for both gaming and fast-action video content. Gaming is a major highlight, supported by features like 144Hz Game Mode Pro for ultra-fluid gameplay, variable refresh rate to eliminate tearing, and AMD FreeSync Premium Pro for reduced input lag and stutter-free visuals. It includes 4 HDMI ports, 2 of which are full bandwidth HDMI 2.1, allowing 4K gaming at up to 144Hz, with one doubling as eARC4 sound systems. HDR performance is strong, supporting Dolby Vision IQ, HDR10+, and HLG, with peak brightness up to 1,500 nits for impactful HDR viewing even in bright rooms. The U7N also enhances audio with a 2.1 channel system, built-in subwoofer, and Dolby Atmos support for immersive sound. Running on Google TV, it offers a smooth smart interface, personalized recommendations, and broad app access. With Wi-Fi 6E connectivity, sleek design, and excellent gaming and HDR performance, the U7N stands out as a value-packed mid-premium TV. The Hisense U9N is the flagship 4K mini LED TV in Hisense's 2025 lineup, designed to deliver cutting-edge performance and compete with premium models from Samsung and Sony. It features an advanced mini LED X panel with quantum dot color, offering a huge number of local dimming zones, 16-bit backlight control, and a staggering peak brightness of up to 5,000 nits. This allows for exceptional contrast, ultra-deep blacks, and minimal blooming, making HDR content appear incredibly vibrant and detailed. Powered by the HiView Engine X chipset, the U9N uses AI-driven image processing to enhance sharpness, color accuracy, and contrast in real time, while its anti-glare screen and wide viewing angles improve picture quality across different seating positions. With 4K resolution and a native 144Hz refresh rate, the TV excels in both cinematic viewing and gaming. It includes 4 HDMI ports, 2 of which support full-bandwidth HDMI 2.1, enabling 4K gaming at 144Hz, along with variable refresh rate, AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, and Game Mode Pro for low-latency tear-free gameplay. HDR support is comprehensive, covering Dolby Vision IQ, HDR10+, HDR10, and HLG. On the audio side, the U9N incorporates a 4.1.2-channel Cine Stage X surround system with 7 built-in speakers, including up-firing drivers for an immersive Dolby Atmos experience. Running on Google TV, it provides smooth navigation, app access, and hands-free voice control. With unmatched brightness, advanced contrast handling, premium built-in sound, and elite gaming features, the Hisense U9N is a true flagship that redefines high-end value. The Hisense U10 UX ULED X series is a flagship model that pushes the boundaries of display technology, earning its reputation as the king of mini LEDs. Designed for ultimate home cinema and gaming, it features over 40,000 full-array local dimming zones, enabling unprecedented precision in backlight control. This results in inky blacks, minimal blooming, and contrast that rivals OLED displays while maintaining significantly higher brightness. With a peak brightness of up to 10,000 nits, the U10 UX delivers one of the most impactful HDR experiences available, ensuring highlights and details remain vivid even in brightly lit rooms, complemented by a low reflection screen for reduced glare. Leveraging Hisense ULED X and quantum dot color, it produces an exceptionally wide and accurate color gamut, supporting HDR formats such as Dolby Vision IQ, HDR10+, and HLG for creator-intended visual fidelity. Gamers benefit from a native 144 Hz refresh rate, variable refresh rate, auto low latency mode, and AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, guaranteeing smooth tear-free and responsive gameplay. Beyond visuals, the U10 UX impresses with its 4.2.2-channel Cine Stage X surround system, delivering 102 watts of Dolby Atmos and DTS Virtual X audio for immersive sound. Running on Google TV, it provides a modern smart interface with Google Assistant and Alexa built in. Its massive 110-inch bezel-less design makes it both a technological marvel and a centerpiece, complete with multiple HDMI 2.1 ports for next-gen devices. The Hisense U10 UX redefines premium viewing, serving as a powerful alternative to projectors and micro-LED displays. The Hisense U7QG is a mid-range mini LED TV that blends premium display and gaming features at an affordable price, making it highly appealing to both entertainment lovers and gamers. It uses a mini LED ULED panel with quantum dot color technology, offering deep blacks, high contrast, and vibrant accurate colors. With its 4K resolution and rare 165 Hz native refresh rate, the U7QG delivers exceptionally smooth motion, crucial for fast-paced gaming and action content. Gaming performance is a major highlight. All 4 HDMI ports are full HDMI 2.1, supporting 4K at 120 Hz, variable refresh rate, and AMD FreeSync Premium Pro for tear-free stutter-free gameplay, along with low input lag to ensure fast responsiveness. HDR support is extensive, including Dolby Vision, Dolby Vision IQ, HDR10+, and HLG, while peak brightness levels up to 3000 nits allow for highly impactful HDR experiences. Audio is another strength, with a 2.1.2-channel 60-watt system tuned for Dolby Atmos, providing immersive sound without requiring an immediate external upgrade. Running on Google TV, the U7QG offers a smooth app-rich interface with support for Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, and AirPlay. Connectivity options include USB 3, USB 2, optical, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi 6E for reliable streaming. Available in sizes from 55 to 100 inches, with a sleek modern design and slim bezels, the U7QG stands out for its excellent value, premium gaming features, strong HDR performance, and surprisingly good built-in audio.